Did you know that I used AI to write this video script? Actually, I used machine learning. No, deep learning. It's confusing, right? If you found yourself lost here, don't worry, you're not alone. I have often found myself wondering what are the exact differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. These terms get tossed around a lot, but they are not interchangeable. By the end of this video, you know how to exactly tell them apart and you can talk about AI with confidence. Um, Before I forget, if you are interested in learning more about AI, machine learning, and deep learning, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out. Artificial intelligence. First, let's briefly cover AI. I already have a short video on my channel explaining AI, so check it out if you would like to dive a little bit deeper. But in a nutshell, artificial intelligence or AI is the ability of computer or machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think about Siri or Alexa. They are able to understand and respond to commands, making our life easier. To make it even simpler, think about AI as a toolbox. Inside the toolbox, we have machine learning and deep learning, tools that power a lot of what we think of as AI. Machine learning. Now let's dive into machine learning. Just like the toolbox example, machine learning is a subset of AI. It's all about making predictions or decisions based on the data. Basically, the more data we fit into an ML model, the more accurately it can predict things. Some people wonder, isn't ML just programming? Not quite. In traditional programming, we write code to get specific output. But with ML, the system adapts and learns on its own. We don't have to change the code each time. Instead, we adjust the model to improve the output. There are two types of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves human oversight, where we label the data and we guide the model. Here, in the unsupervised learning, the machine explores the data on its own and identifies the patterns without explicit labels. Deep learning. Deep learning is another layer within machine learning. Deep learning is a very specialized tool using neural networks. Neural networks is a system of connected nodes similar to neurons in the human brain, which helps the machine to recognize more complex patterns. We call it deep because we stack multiple layers of these networks, allowing for more sophisticated learning. Now, let's look at some examples to make these definitions easier. Examples for AI. Your phone's voice assistant, like Siri or Alexa, are the examples of AI. AI is a very broad concept that includes ML and DL. So when we are talking about ML, in fact, we are talking about AI. Examples of machine learning. Netflix recommendation system is an ML model. It learns from your watching habits to suggest shows that might interest you. Or think about email spam filter. It learns to identify spams by recognizing patterns without needing to be reprogrammed each time. Examples of deep learning. Facial recognition in your phone's unlock feature is powered by deep learning. It uses multiple layers of neural network to recognize your face. Or consider self-driving cars. Self-driving cars rely on deep learning to recognize objects like pedestrian, traffic light, which requires a deep understanding of visual patterns. Now, to bring it all together, let's take a look at this Venn diagram here. Probably you are seeing it here now. Imagine AI as the largest circle, which includes machine learning as a smaller circle. Inside machine learning, there is a smaller circle which is deep learning. This shows that deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and machine learning is a subset of AI. So whenever you see an AI system, there is a good chance it's using machine learning, and in some cases, deep learning too. If this video helped to clear up this confusion, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI concepts so we can learn AI together. Thank you for watching this video.